I've got 8 more of these little bottles left. I'm still in Palermo. Got to get this recording done so we can actually publish all these days before I take another trip to Athens, Greece. So let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin. And if you're curious about why I'm in Palermo, Italy, and have been in Italy for almost a month now, and will be in Athens, Greece for the month of January, check out the links below. It's all about finding Jean Marie, our other channel. My wife and I are traveling the world. Today is day 17. I am looking forward to this whiskey. You know I've had some challenges, but you know I've had some successes too if you've been watching this series. If you haven't, there's links for that below too. Let me go ahead and pour day 17 in. I have no idea what's on the front of this bottle because I'm trying to avoid cheating and seeing what the country of origin is. Today, it could be any country because Flaviar has been messing with my mind and giving me way too many USA whiskeys, and I'm just not expecting that. So I'm going to try to keep my mind clear of any pre-notions of what was guessed before and just go straight in on day 17 with a fresh nose. Oh, I like this nose. Oh, that was nice apples on the nose. Ooh, apples, pears. Oh, I really do love this. Kind of reminds me of some of my favorite Irish whiskeys. I wouldn't mind a good pot still Irish whiskey right about now. That'd be really nice. But it's fragrant too. Like a floral fragrance. And a little tiny bit of citrus in there. A lot of beautiful notes on the nose. Let's see what the taste is. Wood spice, a little bit of pepper, decent finish, a little caramel note in there. But I'm getting a little bit of anise in there also. So now I'm confused. You know, sometimes after that first taste, the nosing changes too because you're trying to relate what your taste buds tasted and your nose sensed, and I'm getting some changes now. It's strange because I'm tasting more rye notes than I got on the nose, but I'm gonna go ahead and say my first thought was there's something Irish about this, something pot still about this. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. Let me take a look at the label, see if I'm right or not. It's a product of Ireland. I'm glad I stuck with that, because it really did smell like an Irish nose right at first. The apple notes, the pear notes, and that kind of softness usually reminds me of a triple pot distilled Irish whiskey. Let me go ahead and check the flavor app, see what kind of information that gives me. You can see I'm going through each day. I'm on day 17 right now. Okay, revealing this whiskey. It's Writer's Tears Copper Pot. It's 40% ABV, which means you're getting a little bit less bang for your buck. But again, a lot of Irish whiskeys are lower ABV, and the triple pot distill really makes up for that. And in general, $43 is just not that much to pay for a decent whiskey if you enjoy it. Their tasting notes are floral, lemon, spicy, honey, citrus, malted barley, sweet, marmalade, and pepper. Kind of the notes I got, which is really good. A good sign for today that my nose and taste buds are actually working. I've always been an aspiring writer. I've always tried to write, never successfully done anything big. But it's always been interesting to me to hear something like this, Writer's Tears, and know how much anguish goes into writing and how much work really goes into writing. And your tears produce something like this, that would be wonderful. So Writer's Tears Copper Pot Whiskey is a blend of single pot still whiskey and malt whiskey. It's still in the same old tradition that was existed in Ireland for hundreds of years. Triple distilled, 100% pure pot still whiskey, no grain, matured in oak bourbon barrels, non-chill filtered. All really good things, and exactly what makes an Irish whiskey special for me is that triple distillation. It takes away some of the harsher notes, and some people are like, well, that just dilutes the whiskey, but it really doesn't for me, because when I'm looking for a soft, easy to drink whiskey, I go for Irish triple pot still. So overall, I'm pretty happy with today. I love when I get something right. What about you? Are you following along with me? Have you been doing this advent calendar or another advent calendar? Let me know in the comments. I've had a lot of great comments from people, and I really appreciate it. You're helping this channel by commenting and responding and interacting. You're all beautiful. And until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you. And cheers.